Hi, I'm Lisa. Welcome to How Tuesdays at Lori's Country Cottage. Today, I'm going to show you how to use our new leather Miyako handles to make multi-purpose bags. Furoshiki is the Japanese art of fabric folding. So in ancient days, the Japanese would take furoshiki, which is what they call their squares of fabric, sometimes beautiful and elaborately stitched, and they would use it to make bags for going to the market or to the baths. And these days, furoshiki is also used to wrap gifts. Today, I want to show you how to use a furoshiki with a Miyako handle to make a multi-purpose bag. The basic bag uses either handle. So anything I show you can be transposed from this handle or to this handle. We got in the ringed handle in a couple colors and the beautiful leather handles. Both of them are leather. The handles with the slits in several colors, and they are beautiful. So I'm going to show you the basic fold and show you one side on each handle, and then I'll give you a bit more information. So this is simply 1 meter of fabric hemmed. So if you have a roll hem on your serger, you can go ahead and do a rolled hem. If you have a pashima or a scarf that you have at home, that would work as well too. So fold it wrong sides together into a rectangle. Now I'm going to take each corner, I'll feed it through the slit of my handle, feed this one through the slit of the handle, and through many practices I've learned not to make those too short because your bag hangs open. All you do is make a knot, repeat on the other side, so right through the slit, tie the knot, and I would probably double tie that. Take your little tail and tuck it in right there, and there's a super easy bag with lots of room. Let me show you how that works with the ringed handle as well. So clearly very easy to do and undo. You can change your fabric with seasons. You can match them to your outfits even if you want to. So here's our simple fold of fabric. Fold it in half. And if I'm going to do that on the rings, I'm going to join them together to make the points together and simply feed them through the rings. And I can do the same thing on the other side for a completed bag. Let me show you something else. That's one piece of fabric. Now, you might have some fabric at home. All I did was put 2 squares together and make it double-sided. So let me show you another way to make a bag. Fold it right sides together, and so this is completely reversible. I'm going to move in, I found for myself about 12 inches, so make sure you leave a long enough tail and tie a knot. And then repeat on the other side. So there's my knot. Move to the end, about 12 inches. Better bigger than smaller. If you find that you don't like the size it is when you're done, you unfold it and redo it. Now I'm going to flip it right side out and tuck those knots inside. And I'm going to attach my handle. So if I was going to use the rings, it would simply be in and through the ring. That's super simple. But I want to show you how to use the Miyako handles. So with the strap in the direction it's going to go, up through the back, we'll give you a close-up in a minute, I just want to show you how easy it is. Up through the back, around, need a bit more, around. I'm going to go in here and out the back. And now working from the back, this kind of looks like a man's tie. We put it up under the knot, give it a tug just like a man's tie. One side is tied. And because that's how my brain works, I flip the whole bag around and do it once more. Up through the back, give yourself some fabric to work with, wrap it around, stick it down the back. And you could take some time and make these knots really nice. Choose what color you want showing. Flip it to the back. There's like a man's tie. Tuck it underneath. Give it a pull. Make sure my knots are tucked in nice. And there is my market bag. You can fit tons in here. So that is the basic tie for one of the bags. Again, any handle, totally reversible. If I would have folded it the other way, totally reversible. Now we also got in a pattern to make some special bags. So included in this pattern, it's only $6.99. There are 3 different ways to make 3 different bags. So the basic bag, which remember you can make reversible and with both handles. This bag, which again is reversible, it's got pleats. And if we had it the other way, you'd see this great Tula pink fabric on the outside. And then another one with a V in the middle and seams up the side. So these are sewing projects to make these bags. Really easy, but they all start with 40-inch squares of fabric. So I thought, wouldn't this be a fun Zoom class? So I'm going to offer a Zoom class. You can make all 3 bags in 3 hours. So we're going to have a shopping night on May the 26th. That's a Wednesday. Then we'll have the class the next Wednesday, June the 2nd, from 6 till 9. You can register online or call the store or come into the store to register and have some fun making the Miyako bags with furoshiki fabric folding. I hope you enjoyed my demo today. Thanks for joining me for How Tuesdays at Laurie's Country Cottage.